Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making peanut butter and strawberry jam cornflake cookies. The first thing I'm going to do is put my pan on a low heat. I'm going to add my butter and start to melt it. Once it has melted, I'm going to gently simmer my butter for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring it occasionally until it goes golden brown. Now that my butter has gone a golden brown, I'm going to turn the heat off and remove it from the heat. I'm now going to add in my peanut butter. I'm now going to fold in my sugar. And beat in 1 egg. In a separate bowl, I'm going to mix together flour, cornflakes, and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. I'm now going to add my peanut mixture to my cornflakes. I'm now going to leave my mixture to sit for half an hour. I have lined a plate with grease-proof paper. I'm now going to take 10 dollops of strawberry jam and place them on my plate. I'm now going to stick them in the freezer for 30 minutes. I have lined a baking tray with grease-proof paper. I'm now going to break my cookie dough into 10 pieces. I'm now going to roll them into balls. I'm now going to take my thumb and make a thumbprint in the middle, but be careful not to push the whole of the cookie down, as when they bake they will expand. Now my jam is chilled, I'm going to peel them off and place them in my thumb holes. I have preheated my fan oven to 170 degrees. I'm now going to bake them in the centre of the oven for 7 to 10 minutes until they go light and golden. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.